Hello all. In this video we are going to cover various operations on fractions. Okay. So a number in the form a by b is called fraction. Okay. So the number on the top is called numerator. Here a is the number on the top. The number on the top is called numerator. Okay. Number on the bottom we call it as denominator. Okay, now let's take an example. 3 by 7. Here you can see a number on top and bottom. The number on top is 3. This 3 is called numerator. And 7 is the number on bottom. This 7 is called denominator. This 3 by 7 is in the form of a by b. So 3 by 7 is a fraction. Okay. So in this video we are going to discuss about addition, subtraction, multiplication and divisions of fractions. Okay. So firstly let us learn to add these two fractions. 3 by 7 plus 1 by 9. Here 3 is numerator of first number, first fraction. 7 is the denominator of the first fraction and 1 is the numerator of second fraction and 9 is the denominator of second fraction. So for these types of additions we should follow this equation: a by b plus c by d. Here a by b is one fraction and c by d is another fraction. For adding these two fractions we should multiply numerator of first fraction into denominator of second fraction, that is a into d, plus denominator of the first fraction and numerator of second fraction b into c, divided by two denominators of first and second fractions, that is b into d. So this is the form how we are how we are adding two fractions. Let's do the same here. Numerator of first into denominator of second. 3 into 9. We know 3 into 9 is 27 plus b into c means denominator of first and numerator of second. Denominator of first is 7, numerator of second is 1. 7 into 1 is 7, divided by b into d. b into d means denominator of first into denominator of second. Denominator of first is 7 here. Denominator of second is 9. 7 into 9 is 63. Okay. Now 27 plus 7 is 34. Divided by 63. Here you can see two equations for addition and subtraction of fractions. Here AB is the first fraction, CD is the second fraction. While adding these two fractions we should use this equation: AD plus CB by BD. AD numerator of first into denominator of second plus numerator of first into denominator of second. Okay, same equation we are using for subtraction, only difference is here plus sign is changed into minus sign in the case of subtraction. AD plus CB, instead of that AD minus CB, denominator is same, BD, BD. Okay, so now let's add two numbers, 1 by 4 plus 2 by 3. Here 1 into 3, numerator of first into denominator of second, 1 into 3 is 3, plus 4 into 2 is 8, divided by 4 into 3 is 12. So answer is 3 plus 8 is 11, 11 by 12. Now let's do one example for subtraction. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 5. Okay, for this 2 into 5 is 10, minus 3 into 1, 3, divided by 3 into 5, 15. That's equal to 10 minus 3, 7 by 15. Another example, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to, firstly 3 into 4, 3 into 4 plus 4 into 1, 4 into 1 divided by 4 into 4. That's equal to 3 into 4, 12 plus 4 into 1, 4 divided by 4 into 4, 16. So here 12 plus 4 is 16 divided by this 16. We know 16 by 16 is 1. Okay, any number divided by the same number is equal to 1. So the answer of 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 1. Now let's subtract 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Same process, 3 into 4. 3 into 4. Instead of this addition, we should use this minus symbol. Minus 4 into 1. That is 4 into 1. Firstly, 3 into 4. Numerator of first into denominator of second. 3 into 4 minus 4 into 1. Divided by 4 into 4. 3 into 4, 12. Minus 4 into 1, 4 by 4 into 4, 16. 12 minus 4 is 8 by 16. We can further simplify this number, 8 by 16. 8 is common in both numerator and denominator. So 8 by 8 is 1. 16 by 8 is 2. So 1 by 2 is the answer. While we are subtracting 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, answer is 1 by 2. Here it's very simple to add two fractions if the denominators are same. In this example you can see both denominators are same. So to add these fractions, we can use the same denominator. as answer. Now add the numerators. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. That's equal to 3 plus 2 is 5 by 10. So this is the answer, 5 by 10. We can further reduce this fraction. 5 by 10 is 1 by 2. 5 is common in both numerator and denominator. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 by 5 is 2. Now let's subtract 3 by 10 minus 2 by 10. In this case also it's very simple because the denominators are same. So 3 minus 2, we can subtract the numerators directly. 3 minus 2 divided by, use the same denominator, 10. 3 minus 2 is 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 is the answer. Now let's do some examples for multiplication. 3 by 4 into 2 by 5. Here AC means numerator of first into numerator of second. That means here 3 into 2. 3 into 2 divided by BD means denominator of first into denominator of second. That is 4 into 5. Okay, so 3 into 2, 6 by 4 into 5 is 20. Here 2 is common in both numbers. So 6 by 2 is 3. 20 by 2 is 10. So the final answer is 3 by 10. Okay. Now let's divide the same numbers. 3 by 4 divided by 2 by 5. Here AD means we are cross multiplying here. Numerator of first into denominator of second. That is 3 into 5. 3 into 5 divided by BC means denominator of first into numerator of second. 4 into 2. 3 into 5 is 15. 4 into 2 is 8. So the final answer is 15 by 8.